Him never know say Beyonce have our receipts. And him come and talk about mommy, mommy, mommy. And your mother is a wicked mix-up. Your mother is a wicked dirty mix-up. Woman to woman, some other girl out there say really dark shit. Me not ask you no. You mean to say, you not stand up as a mother and say, my you not get me involved in your careless argument. Go fix your bangle. Go and go angle your bangle. And so una mama stay. So una mama stay. And the youth right? Una will go out and do things and come back in. And guess what? Una mama cover it up. When I say
Swisslee, your mother not different from your bad dog, and you never do nothing wrong yet, and you never know nothing yet bad dog. You see your mother go lead your astray. You see mother like that, we make them son rob people and kill people, and use and abuse people, blood clot data, because at the end of the day, Swisslee mother, you may come about. You need to sit down and tell a youth when you're wrong and make him take accountability for your action, because me know you yourself, Swisslee mother, your voice note where girl play. Say Swisslee say him no want her to move on with her life and sin. But at the end of the day, Swisslee I want sneaking liar, batty boy. That's why you sell out real dog. That's why nobody no rate a Swisslee. I want big dead dog. How the fuck if you go look on Rebel? Rebel look like a real bumbuckler man. Rebel no look different from the transmission them at the end of the day. You only look good girl out of Rebel TC and pretty at TC, because TC are dark skin boy, oh god dog. TC dark skin pretty or fuck bad dog. TC I best out of Rebel and pretty to bumbuckler.
How would this come back on?
You look like a man, you dance like a man and do everything like a blood clan man. Beyonce hot a girl for you. Rebel in a real life, no cap, no joke, I mean I be biased. And Swisslee I want big dead dog at the end of the day, but bro, your mother never get wrong from your juvenile till now, me can't see it, bro. And the reason why your mother defend us so Swisslee is because of money, bro. You see it? And at the end of the day, your mother will tell you the truth as a you bad dog, because I know so you raise people. Swisslee you live like a gentleman bad dog, you're a transmission. Swisslee you're a batty man in a real life dog, a roll dog boss you, and you sell out roll dog, bro. One time when roll dog got big dog pan up, them time the Britannia and roll dog running up. He used to run back a roll dog bad dog, but since roll dog fall off and you start power with down and them and be other man, bro. God. You remember where you come from, bad dog. A real dog, make a couple. Swisslee ungrateful, no bumbuckler. You never know. Everywhere Swisslee come off a bumbuckler internet, bro. God. You're a big waste ball game, dog. You see a pre-kai girl come out to the whole lie receipt. The girl not tell no lie. And the people in the comment section and say, girl, delusional or nothing, bro. She's not delusional. The girl come with factual information, bad dog. You see pre, big up yourself, man. One bumbuckler Beyonce on here. Swisslee, your mother.
I'm glad somebody said. I'm glad somebody said. Oh, remember, come on, drag on the memory now. Because I know I like drag on the memory now for free. Oh, remember when time I did come up and program, I'm always telling you, say, Swisslee is a dirty, nasty, stinking drunk crow. Oh, remember when I said that little boy is very sneaking, he's not displaying the true him. Oh, remember when I talk all of them, something I don't want nobody pick up for me, you know. I want to just be honest. Oh, remember, come here, drag on the memory, you know. Me have a jog on the memory. Who remember when I say, you know, said that little boy who you see not saying anything and him start most of the stuff? Who remember? Me just want somebody answer. Who remember? I mean, don't want nobody pick up for me. Who remember when I say so? Alright, let me go a little bit further now. Who remember when I say Swisslee coming like mudfish? For all of who know so good mudfish. Who remember when I say so? Who remember when I said Swisslee coming like mudfish? Very hypocritical, very sneaking, very lie, and all of them someday. Who remember? Thank you, Chica, 2024. Thank you, Chica. Who remember? Everything when we ever talk, see it come to fruition, yeah. See it come to fruition, yeah. Who remember when I say all of this? Who remember when time I say him friend World Dog just to be in a World Dog position, just to take over World Dog's position? Who remember? Nobody no member. Nobody no member. Me glad it's not me talk all of them excitement. I'm glad it's another youth with seat on the side and just attack all of the things them. You see when him says Swisslee mother is just like him for understand says Swisslee mother par with Princess Street, so she can't be no better. She cannot be any better. Bagger and mix up. It's just a pity. Bagger mix up and wicked. Money hunger, money grabber. Me not ask you no. Who remember when I say so? You see them people here, them stay behind the fence and do the most wickedness. Yeah, very wicked. Who remember when time I come up on my life and I say, I notice how Swisslee always doing fierce? Very evil and demonic. Nobody, you know, people just always see me and I say, I'm not doing nobody nothing, you know. I'm not even look on people to blow out. I'm not look on people, you know. And him always make it seem, and the whole I wanna fall feet. And I'm here the only one where did I stand up and I said, don't be fooled by the rocks that I have. I'm still Shebby from the block. Come on, man. You don't know my rapping style. I was a robber. Yeah? Who remember? All the time, the whole on the fall feet. Where are the women defenders? Thank you, Barbie Slims. You don't hear Zandrama going past Swiss after the girl have receipts have beaten and this. You don't hear Zandrama going past Swiss like how she are going past Jaden. Hate is really, really, you know. And then you say me hateful. Hate is really, real. For sure, you're going past Jaden, you know. It's somewhere we not even know about. You see the receipts here. The girl attack and I quickly want to run behind and say half of the app. To take on what? Eh? Some of the girl is low down dirty shame. Low down dirty shame. Me not ask you, I'm Miss Sharon Almighty. Yeah, me not low down dirty shame. When me tell you say them a manipulator. You see the same thing Swisslee do to Beyonce and took to the internet to seek pity from Uno tell him say I'm a liar that don't hear nothing about Swisslee. From Uno tell Swisslee say you're a liar, you're a manipulator, you're wicked and evil. I don't hear nothing more about him. Same thing with Swiss do the girl. This is the same thing. World Dog do Yannick. Oh. Wanna see it? Wanna see the same thing World Dog do Yannick? Me say from the internet come against him. They say from the internet come against him, him gone quiet. Him gone quiet. Him gone quiet. Him never knows the girl have her receipts. Him never knows the Beyonce have her receipts. And him come and talk about mommy. And your mother is a wicked mix-up. Your mother is a wicked dirty mix-up. Woman to woman, some of the girl out there say really dark shit. Me not ask you no. You mean to say, you not stand up as a mother and say, my youth not get me involved in your careless argument. Go fix your bangle. Go and go angle your bangle. And so una mama stay. And the youth right? When we go out and do things and come back in, and guess what? Una mama cover it up. Yeah, money make them fall for sure. Yeah, money, it's all about money. Me tell you, say them people are some wicked set a dirty drunk up and the app and not knowing. Them, yeah, my friend, yeah, sweet girl. Yeah. No one says so good shitty. I thought she said she know my birth paper. She come up by my right name. Yeah, my friend. Yeah, my friend. No man know my name. Most of the people can't call out my name. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, mighty, thank you. No, for true, no, for real. I say me glad that the youth said so. Hear the youth talk.
Swisslee, your mother not different from your bad dog. And you never do nothing wrong yet. And you never know nothing yet bad dog. You see your mother go lead you astray. You see mother like that, we make them son rob people and kill people. And use and abuse people, blood clot that. Because at the end of the day, Swisslee mother, you may come about. You need to...
No, you hear him say? You have some man out there will make them son use other girl. Use other girl. I'm glad somebody else come up and talk. And I lie me did I tell. And I lie me did I tell it's just the messenger and the eat. I just the messenger and the eat. Yeah, I never lie me I tell. When I talk it, you see in all fairness, World Dog might be dominant, he might be bad man, he might be careless, he might be worthless, he might be this, he might be that, but he helped you. It's when all of us can say World Dog is a dog shit. always remember 876, that TV program where you used to go on to Jamaica. When you do an interview, you, Swisslee, did an interview, and you end the world out for a spot and act as if you idolize the individual. This is what most people don't understand when me talk about them something here. All along, me I say you're very bad mind, you're very envious, and you're very manipulative. You're an evil little individual. Always talk it. Una go get what you want. Anything at all una soon I go reap it. Remember me tell you now, it is coming. Your day of redemption a come. Yeah. It's very vindictive for sure. When it's wicked. Very wicked. And them you see how them paint it in a 2024 come right down. Like me no bother people, you know. And everything me do is like people just on to me for. And them do the most of people see them just to keep them on the FYP and then come out and cry victim. Me never said this. Me never said this. Say them belittle themselves and come out come cry victim for people sorry for them. And them said one going at people way and people chat them, class them, and with them do not trouble people, and them go behind the camera and say, yeah, me love it. Me love it. Me love it. Yeah man, them a call up my name. You remember from the other day, Swisslee want me attention, but when you might try bring out one mix up when you're ready, and him now, Lord Jesus, you can imagine a such person I go say. Come on in. Swisslee, we're not entertaining, we're not topic, we're only chatting for commercial. You ever give a commercial break? Yeah. Yeah. When you come in like the Vienna sausage where Shelly and Fraser advertise, and not all the time we eat it. And it's just the truth. It's just the truth. When I have some mama out there, them and a mother, them a mama. When I have some mama out there, such a your son, you know, you're not where Beyonce, you don't care how Beyonce feel. When your son a walk and I tell about, oh, you want to sex for me, oh, me and you can't live, oh, me no want this, me no want that, me want that, and me want, where? And a son enough girl audition for be slaughtered lamb. Where? We don't serve no purpose though anyways. We don't have to pick up on a position. Yeah? Them too licky for true. You can't disappoint in their mother, Kenisha. Kenisha, you can't disappoint in their mother. Obviously, you never know who your mother be. The whole of your friend them on Princess Street. Why you think every birthday time him come? Him have to parade Princess Street because I don't just say mother friend them there. That's why the party was the party always full of slack and bap. You know see everybody wear black opal got the party or walk or jog or run go there. What do you say?
Swisslee gonna tell you when you're wrong and make him take accountability in action.
When me did tell you that all the time when I never want to hear, I told him mother par, then you can't expect better. Can you expect any better? Where you expect somebody with Igla? Not straight hustling. Ain't them hustler for anything and them sweat. What does that say? So you can't disappoint in them mother because you don't know people from I cannot paint my baby. But you see sometimes when people come up and pretend, wanna gravitate to them not be them true self. After all of them I get a rat. All of them I get a rat. From your ears Swisslee talk, you know say him and his mother the same thing. Him and his mother the same mix up because the little girl is very mixed up. She's very mixed up, Sister Swiss. Yeah, Sister Lee is very mixed up. She reminds me of Honey Pack. World Honey Pack. Yeah. When I realize now, say, you guys have been pranked. When I realize for the years, them all it and natural come. It show me another argument type. I mean, I love argument in the people. I mean, I like, no, we can't do the confusion and the confrontation and that himself, you know. Never know, say, a woman abuser is a female abuser. I mean, hear Zandrama call him out, but Zandrama want call out Jaden. So them picky in whom get abused. In who should get abused, them picky. Yeah? Me not hear nobody call out. Me not hear nobody come over the app yet and say, but Swisslee, why you put your hand on the girl? I never know say he is this type of individual. I never know he is this type of that. I never hear nobody come out and say it yet. Nobody, I mean, him is a woman beater, but you know, all GX accountable for putting his hand on Rosalie, and Rosalie put her hand on him. I never hear one come out and call out Swisslee, but everybody run with GX beat Rosalie, and oh yeah, defend woman abuser, and I never hear one. I never hear one of say about this now. I remember, you know, when GX accompanied the app, and he beat Rosalie in the yellow ball, and up to today people say GX beat Rosalie wickedly. Other than buck out her memory. Eh? I mean, hear none of them come and talk how Swisslee beat woman. They go over them head, way over them head. This is who gonna sacrifice to a woman beater. That is why I tell you enough times says things reach phone a relationship because we make sacrifice to these people, because we love them and we know behind them. After this, we are very biased. After this lack of and world honey pop too. You know, say honestly, Yannick, me not gonna tell you a lie. I don't pity you. I feel sorry for you for the situation that you're in. I mean, I think you deserve to be in this situation. I believe you don't deserve to be in it, but sometimes we create some situation for ourselves. We just have to ride out the storm. Yannick, you deserve better. Let me tell you the truth. The only thing you can do is hold your head high and move on. Just move right along. Just move right along. That's the only thing you can do. Because sometimes we love the wrong set of dog shit them. Sometimes we love the wrong set of dog shit. And then guess what? When you're not gonna get no right, Yannick, you know why you're not gonna get no right? Because he might try to make himself known, and he has already been known on the app. You understand me? So guess what? Nobody no want to hear from you. I'ma understand what you're going through. You understand me? Because when people can't see and listen to you, not everybody agree with you, you won't get any satisfaction, because him can come here and play pity and show, and gain sympathy. You won't and you can't and you will not do it. So people will hear him alone. You understand me? And say, I saw them girl like, but you don't deserve it. No matter how much cost you back then, you see another position, you don't deserve it. You deserve more, you deserve better. You deserve better. But it's just that you love the worst. At that, you deserve better, not better. It's just the truth, and the internet must hold them accountable for their actions. The internet too wasteful. You know the internet problem is tuning in to them every time them click them live. You hear the foolery and the lies that they are dumping on others about you. You turn on him live, nobody enough to go over there. Nobody must not go over there. And him alone, he must turn on him life and understand that this is your punishment. Since we can't grab you, because you're hiding, this is your punishment. You won't get what you want. World Dog realize that Yannick now give no money. So World Dog want to come back on the app now to gain back the stability when the app can come out and pour pity and beg on you. Yeah. When he didn't make it, him cuss me and said him woman rich. Now she'll cover her richness from him. Him not want that. No, them are wicked, dirty people. Them are wicked, dirty people. Swisslee like when girl buy him gifts and him can't buy no girl not even plane tickets. When I never see it, enough time I talk about them something here. And more you buy me this to my birthday. And him overshadow every single thing. What did I always say? When you touch September, the middle of September, the first to the middle of September, everybody go quiet. True or false? The ending of September, him start advertising birthday party. Me now ask you, and me alone did step on the app. Una make money, Jesus peace. The whole of una can come up. If I even 5 of una, and una give 5 mothers $100, it's $15,000 that. Give it to them. Cast your bread upon the waters, and it shall return unto you after many days. Una make a bag of money off of the app. I may say, 5 of una can give $100 to a single dirty careless mother. Just $100. You understand me? You don't have that $100. I'm gonna put some worth in our what my baby. You don't nice me like your pants. No, if that them do. And that them do. And you notice that all of the girl them are humiliate. You know all of the girl them are humiliate. All of them are humiliate. You know that? Yeah. Them girl put themselves in some dirty man way. Yeah. Beyonce never tell a lie and she shoot a shot. The girl practice off a range. Where your mother come out come say now? What your mom coming out to say? What's your mom coming out to say now? Thank you, Pink Patty. When I tell you say woman are props, them not believe me. Enough of them girl are props. Enough of them girl are dog out themselves with them boy. Dog Isha. Dog Isha, enough of them girl are be. Dog Isha. Enough of them girl are dog. So the position affect them. Yeah. You know some girl, them not see themselves as nobody, but they want to use them as somebody. Come on, can't disrespect me, so me even talk. Me can't feel it. They say put him gun in a Beyonce mouth. Beyonce a idiot. Beyonce a idiot. When me tell him say Beyonce a idiot, Beyonce a idiot. Because me a chose Swisslee on him head. Me a chose Swisslee on him head, but them go on and intimidate the girl in a private. Go on and intimidate the girl in a private. When me tell him say enough things Swisslee and in a not believe me. But I say me just want them come past my avenue because I have a barrage of things to let out. Me have a barrage of things to let out. You know it's so funny? When Landa baby mother come out and talk on a runner, when Beyonce come out and talk on a try runner, you see all of the people them who have them relationship and them showcase some prank on the app, wanna big them up. Beyonce right and the baby mother right. Just the same way say Yannick there, Yannick a fight a losing battle. Yannick run world dog shit. World honey pack. Once and drama come out and hold Swisslee accountable for beating females. Swisslee look like him is a woman beater. Anybody in there with him beat them and them have to keep quiet. Me not ask you. Anybody in there with him beat. Someone tell them say them careless girl up on the app can't reason with me. That's why me not run for send them up underneath them mama. Dead or alive. Me not run for send them up underneath them mother. Dead or alive. Because them are idiot girl. Them are idiot girl. Them girl here cover shit up body. Them girl here cover shit up body. Body can't talk to me. Them enough of them girl here with them boy here cover up shit up body. Then I realize that the man not getting affection like when they give him brethren. Then why not cut? And why enough of them girl here turn movie star in a boy life? Why the boy have on as co-star? I don't want to know why you and a man have to depend on the app. Why it's easy for a boy to say, see my girlfriend here and from this so you just turn internet props. Why? Because obviously the boy have a real life after the app. I never realized that yet. How deceitful them to be. Them girl take anybody. Queenie should have proved to them girl like Queenie are the first one to come out of the fence and then Annie. Thank God for the F1 because them not stop reports. Yeah. It's just the truth. It is just the truth. Yeah. It is just the truth. Me have no time for waste on dead flesh. Me have no time for waste on dead flesh. Exactly. Of course, Emmy I want a Jamaica. Me a wait for cause Emmy and for Emmy feel away for go back a yard, you know. But true Jamaican woman them want Emmy for fall. And that's them problem. Jamaican woman want Emmy for fall. And Emmy me a wait for Jamaica tell her the truth. Say go home. Go home. Every boy I use a girl for make me look good for make a next girl get jealous so me can make money off of that girl and then girl I know say that them a do. You see how low the girl them gone? Come on, me using them to make some money off of some people from the app while the boy that use you to sell themselves both to man and woman. Because nobody feels say the boy them from the app sell themselves to woman. And Swisslee master the game because him world dog and artists sit down behind the phone and talk. And them come up with all of them plan here. When we did tell them say Swisslee and Arthur sit down when World Dog say Swiss! Arthur! The barrel them not there so! No the barrel them that! And Swiss and Arthur sit down so and say yeah. See them the people are true. Yeah man star are true. World Dog can go in the house with the phone go show Yannick bag. him can expose the unique liberty, but him can't show we say some of them the barrel them there so why would that never take the phone and say peeps see the shoes them here, see barrel them here. Wanna take she money. The whole of no walk and name out she and use she fame for get a hype on you so you use Crystal for going to the Spanish league. Eh? Talk truth. Una some set of evil. Swisslee did evil one go in front of Crystal the same when come in front of World Dog. Una don't know that. That's why Swisslee end up with Lolo. That is why Swisslee end up with Lolo. Una realize that when me start talking Swisslee and Lolo there, una realize what happened. Swisslee and Lulu are there part to the point when Swisslee come to Jamaica one time for his birthday, Lulu, yeah, them sleep over and leave from. We don't realize, we don't see where I go on. Business in the face and we don't know about it. We don't realize. Came here, you remember? Oh, remember when Lulu come to Jamaica, Swisslee leave from Lulu yard. But yet still you know, see him and Lulu for how long, but because I spoke about him and Lulu. I say, see where that mate there? Swisslee flexible and loving with man. If it had been anybody else who could have pointed out, he's flexible and more loving. He have a great chemistry with a brother versus a sister. Now ask you, tell me the truth. Tell me say a lie me I tell. Tell me say a lie me I tell. If you check chemistry between him, Lulu, and World Dog, him flexible with man. Not even with Crystal. Inflexible so in that every girl and Swisslee claim to say them there, them look more like friends. Every boy and Swisslee were supposed to be brethren, them look more like lovers. Am I lying? Am I lying? Me never see them boy and them woman in a pool yet as Paladash. Me never see them boy they yet and them woman in a one pool as Paladash. You know, and him a throw water in her face and you know she a splash him and them a run and a swim and a duck and a draw them. Me never see that yet, but me see him and World Dog got all the vibes face to face in a pool. Me nah ask you no. Me nah ask you no. Yeah, them boy they flexible with man. Yeah, them boy they flexible with money that think them got all boys school and them a come out of family home. Yeah. Nobody now say nothing about the woman abuser. Him quickly can put him hand on a girl. But stand up to World Dog and box him down. You can't do it. You can't do it. You can't. And you cannot do it. Of course, Fluffy, you soon see. You soon see. Me not ask you. You quickly jump in a pool and build chemistry. And me sit down so. I'm say then nobody knows say this is love. This is love, only love. Nobody makes me feel like you do. No one but you. When I see it, everything is a content with a female, but with a man, it's genuine. Them are playing on the face and wanna see it. Writing on the face, them boy are play and wanna do see it. Me no ears and drama, I beat him like how she beat Jaden.